Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a phone. SAMSUNG Galaxy A20e. For this, we need a small brush with flexible bristles, about 2 to 3 centimeters long so that the bristles are soft. The bristles must be soft or medium hard so that you don't scratch your phone. We need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, to first soften the dirt and allow us to remove it from the port and then let it evaporate so that there's no trace left, because otherwise it would clog up again. So cleaning the port would be completely pointless. Things like this brush, for example. And you can buy a diffuser for alcohol like this in a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one, you can also use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or that the bristles aren't splayed. Then you can use it without any problem, but it won't be as convenient as this brush because it's quite long and not very thick. So it fits perfectly into the port, but you can still clean it. The phone must be turned off. Never clean your phone while it's on. Once it's turned off, spray the brush. I also have an extra little plastic tool for checking later to see if there's still anything left in the port. We printed it ourselves on a 3D printer, but you can also buy them normally. On Allegro they're available in packs of 100 for a few zlotys. If you need one, you can use it. Definitely do not insert any metal into the charging port because you could cause a short circuit and damage your phone. So once we've put some liquid on the brush, we take the phone in hand. Here we have the charging port. We insert the brush all the way to the end of the port and move it to the side. And you repeat this operation about 10 times in one direction. This is to soften and remove the dirt from the port. Then do it in the other direction, so insert it from the other side and move it the other way so that the dirt softens and comes out from both sides of the port. You can repeat this process 2 to 3 times in each direction, so that it's cleaned about 30 times in each direction. Then you'll have a perfectly clean port, and it will serve you for a few more years without any additional problems. After finishing the cleaning, take this piece of plastic and use it. We slide it in, insert it all the way as far as it will go, and move it to the other end of the port and then pull it out. If there was anything inside, it would simply come out with it. And now from the other side of the port, we do the same thing. We move it along the entire port and upwards, and then in the other direction do the same. So from right to left and from left to right. And this way we can be sure that the port is completely clean from every side. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the recommended alcohol evaporate. Then you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and see you in my next video.